What's up, everybody? Austin here, Speedy Vinyl. Today we decided to pull a prank on some of our neighbors here, some of our good friends. You see here in this back window, did a custom print of this wonderful picture here. Here's the man that we're imitating. Doesn't want to be on the video. He's being a stick in the mud today. But anyway, so just wanted to show you guys some of the fun stuff that we were doing at work. See, he doesn't want to be on camera because he's way more buff than this now, and his wife will get mad at him if he's on camera too much. So, but we just wanted to show you guys some of the fun that we have here at the shop. Get a close-up in on it. Custom printed vinyl here at Speedy Vinyl over here at M&C Motorcycle Shop. If you're into motorcycles and need apparel, check those guys out. They're freaking awesome. They're amazing people. They have excellent selection. So if you're looking for gifts for your husbands that ride, or if you ride, or whatever this holiday season, make sure you check them out. I just wanted to do a quick video though, show you guys that. It was too funny. So thanks guys, have a wonderful day.